Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you have this light on your dashboard, today we're going to show you guys how to fix it. This one right here. So you're going to start off by popping the trunk lid. So guys, now we're going to go to our trunk here and we're going to take a look at these light bulbs. The 7443 is the right one that we need for this application. So you're going to start off by removing your cover here, and you're gonna, whichever tail light it is, you're gonna go to this little like access panel type of thing, and you're just gonna it's gonna be clipped in, and you're just gonna kind of take it out basically. Then you're gonna be inside of here, so you're gonna take this one out right here. You're gonna just twist it and pull it out. So this light sometimes doesn't work, so you're just gonna pop it out. It will be a little bit hot, but that's all right. So then you're just gonna take your new bulb right here, and you're gonna put it, just slide it in basically to this thing right here, and then it should start working. Now slide it in all the way, make sure it's all snug, and then we're just gonna put it back in, twist it shut. Then you're just gonna put your cover plate here back on.